Morning everyone. Today we will present about quality management system of Indomaret company. My name is Pratibha Bayu Ayuananda and my friend is Foresta Eka Mardi and also Dava Darmawan and Muhammad Sarul Akbar. The Indomaret company profile. Some big company with big retail with 121.00 place and 30 distribution center and have some vision to become national asset of franchise retail network that excel in global competition with need quality getting close to retail. Motto easy and economical. After 113 million transactions per month and 40 billion rupiah per year. Indomaret have some goal and number one is employee service process in coordinate with SOP. And number two is facilitate provide certification to customer. And number three, seeing the quality of employee performance whether is better or decreasing.
Service quality. Measuring service quality to find out the gap between perception and expectation of the service from the customer. Level of importance. How important is the service? Expectation. Desired level of service quality. Perception. Known level of service quality or current level of quality. 5 quality dimensions. Number 1, tangible. Number 2, empathy. Number 3, responsiveness. Number 4, reliability. Number 5, assurance. Scale of service quality. Answers from a scale of 1 up to 6, where 1 is for an important level. It means strongly disagree. To 6 is for the most important, strongly agree, with a total question of 10. Kano model. Kano model is a model that is designed to categorize attributes of the product and service based on how well either the product or service can satisfy the customer need. Kano criteria. Number 1 is like. Number 2 is must be. Number 3 is neutral. Number 4, live with. Number 5, dislike. Next.
Servqual-Kano questionnaire. This is our questionnaire for Servqual-Kano method. Before I explain that different about Servqual-Kano, we explain about what is Servqual-Kano questionnaire. Servqual is a questionnaire that has a function to measure the quality of service. As using the Servqual questionnaire, we can find out the gap that occurs between what the customer wants and reality. Servqual scale covers 5 dimensions of Servqual quality, namely tangible, empathy, responsive, reliability, and assurance. For the Kano method is aim to categorize the attribute of a product or a service based on how well the product is able to satisfy the customer. From this understanding, it can be seen that in the skillful method, allow the source to give the result statement as expressed well as reality its original says. So we can be given more accurate information. As for the Kano method, the source explain whatever that statement in question is favorite or not. The example beside the question. From the question, first question, grouping product according to category. This is tangible. In the Servqual, we know that the answer there are 3 levels. For the level importance, They are 1 until 5. In the experience level, there are 1 and 5. For the level of reality, there are 1 until 5. But in the Kano model, we can show this in the PPT. But example for the Kano model questionnaire is like a one level for uh, like a grouping product according to category. There are the the source can be level until 1 until 5, like a like or dislike.
Okay, my name is Akbar and I will continue the presentation. From the data processing, the first we should do like the questionnaire testing by the first doing the reliability test. Expectation level on reliability and assurance is reliable because the value is greater than 0.6, which means the question on the questionnaire is already reliable. And then to discover the validity of a questionnaire can be done by finding out the value of R that has been calculated based on the table R. The R value in the table can be accurate by calculating df equal 9 minus n minus 2, where n is the quantity of the respondent or received sample, n equal to 30 respondent on this assignment. So we can get the number of df is 28. With alpha 5%, we can get the number of R is 0.374. So the R value on this assurance level of importance is greater than 0.374. This concludes that the questionnaire in this questionnaire are valid. And after we doing like the reliability test, next we doing like the Servqual data processing Kano. Based on the questionnaire result, we can calculate the score of Kano category and times it with the satisfaction level. We get the satisfaction level and adjective score from this formula. So the first thing we should doing is like calculate the average for every Servqual question, like min harapan and min kenyataan and also min kepentingan. After we find out the min harapan, min kenyataan and min kepentingan, we can find the skor kepuasan. The formula from the skor kepuasan is min kenyataan minus min harapan multiple by min kepentingan. And then from category Kano, we can change the category Kano into the number. From the example from A, we can change to 4. And we can get the adjective score by skor kepuasan multiple by skor Kano. After that, we can conclude that the consumer feel safe and comfortable when shopping is the point that we make the improvement. Because like this one is only have the number, because the other question is doesn't have the number because the category Kano is E. And then we can continue to KFD. And then from the KFD, we can find out the improvement, what we need to improve the consumer feel safe and comfortable when shopping. The first one is provide distance between consumer, so make the consumer feel like more safe. And then the second one is provide CCTV in store. And then the third one is provide the sticker about the punishment for committing a crime. And then the fourth, from make the consumer feel comfortable, we can get the play song with the HD video quality. Okay, I think that's enough from our group assessment. Thank you for the attention. We really sorry if we have a mistake. See you next time and bye-bye.